Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add your birthday on your Skype app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here or up on your picture, then it's going to take you to next window here. And all you have to do now, just go down here, you click here on settings, then it's going to take you here to settings window. And all you have to do now, just click here on account profile, then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just click here on birthday here, and it's going to take you to next window. Just switching to open video, so it's going to open video in this window. So and you come here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on birthday here, and here you add your birthday, and when you're down you click here on set, and it's going to add video. So that's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.